As you've probably noticed by now, this course had no scrolling. You logged on and clicked on images that took you to the book of the week. In the next set of videos, I'm going to show you how you can create a class that avoids the scroll of death, a technical term in the Moodleverse. First thing I'd like to do is to take you backstage, behind the scenes of the course, so you can get a sense of how this course was set up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Edit Settings. And when we get onto the Edit Course Settings page, in the course format area, you're going to see that the format is a weekly format. The number of sections is set to 0. That's how I hid all of the sections. They are there with all of the content. You're going to see that in a second. I'm going to make this 4 because there were 4 sections. Does not matter how the hidden sections are hidden, or the course layout, if all the sections are on one page or each section has its own page. In this particular setup, that doesn't matter. I'm going to go back to the main page, and what you're going to see is the images that take you to the course content, and each week. And in each week, you're going to see the book and each of the elements and pages, the resources, the documents that I've added into the book using their URL. Remember that each of these modules has a URL that you can copy and paste somewhere else. So how does this work? What I've done is I have placed in the introductory section a tool called a table. Let me show you what I mean. Turning editing on, I'm going to click Edit Settings. It's a label. I created a label where the table lives. And this is what a table looks like. A table is one of the primary web design tools. Tables allow for greater control over web page layout, which is what you are creating, a series of web pages for your students. In our text editor, which we all know isn't just for text, there is a button called Insert Edit Table. Voila! We're going to explore this soon. If you notice, in the table, there are images. Each image is linked to a URL, the book module. Notice that I added a title, which is what appears when you hover over the image. I've also added something in the advanced section of the Insert Edit Image dialog, and it's called Alternative Image, which allows the effect to be that when I'm hovering over the image, it seems to fade away. You're going to learn how to do that as well. So, in our next few videos, let's learn how to avoid the scourge of the scroll of death.